Chargeback prevention, and how to handle chargeback. For the online merchant, getting hit with credit card chargebacks is inevitable. There are few things that you can do to handle chargebacks. Merchants can fight chargebacks with evidence. Having a proof of delivery can help merchants to win credit card chargebacks. With the proof of delivery that customer had signed for receiving the items, merchants can build a strong case that they are being defrauded. Response speed is key to defending your case. Merchants must respond within a reasonable period of time with evidence to avoid the card issuer proceeding with the chargeback request. Chargebacks are not always due to malicious fraud. Customers may forget about what they have purchased recently. As a result, they will file a credit card chargeback if they don't recognize the credit card transaction in their bills. In this case, merchants can mitigate this by contacting the buyer to clear things up. Protect online stores with FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention. FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention is a good solution to help you deal with chargebacks. FraudLabs Pro can screen the order details for potential fraud signs, such as repeated orders from the same IP address, detect any blacklisted credit cards or email addresses, flag suspicious order for your manual review by using highly effective fraud screening algorithm. Be installed in your web shopping carts. Set up FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention to screen 500 orders for free now.